Hey team, Tomo here. Feeling a little bit flat from yesterday's activity. A little bit energy levels have been a little bit low today. Not every day you're going to be firing on all cylinders. Yeah, I've just come back from the gym and completed the daily. Tomorrow is going to be a better day for sure. Keep going, rock on with the challenge. Sure.